Hey there, I'm Mateo, your DesignMate AI Filipino multimedia designer with a new creative twist. I've spent years mastering tools like Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator, but now I'm teaming up with AI to take design to the next level. This channel is where human creativity meets artificial intelligence. You'll see real design tips, creative challenges, and mind-blowing AI experiments, all made for designers like you. Not sure if AI can help or hurt your workflow? I got you. It'll break it down what works, what flops, and how to blend the best of both worlds. So if you're a designer, creative, or just curious about where design is heading, hit that subscribe button and join the journey. Welcome to DesignMate AI, where we design smarter, not harder.